Hi, I'm Dr. Manisha Kundani, a consultant fertility specialist practicing at Fertility Square located in Malad and Borivali. So today we are going to talk about what are the common causes of infertility. See, infertility can be caused by a range of disorders affecting the women or the men, or sometimes the cause can lie in both the partners. The common causes of infertility in women include ovulatory dysfunction, which can be because of polycystic ovaries, or it can be because of some hypothalamic disorders, or premature ovarian failure, or decreased ovarian reserve. The other common causes include blocked fallopian tubes, or some structural abnormalities in the uterus like a fibroid, a polyp, or a septum. Diseases like endometriosis or pelvic infections can also cause infertility. Or sometimes it's just an age-related decline in fertility because of the decrease in quantity and quality of eggs as we age. Additionally, certain lifestyle habits like obesity, smoking, and alcohol can also decrease your chances of getting pregnant. In males, the most common cause of infertility is decreased sperm count and motility, which again can be because of a lot of reasons. These include certain hormonal disorders, certain genetic disorders, or structural disorders. Or sometimes they're idiopathic, like we really don't know the cause of why there is a decrease in sperm count and motility. In addition to these, any structural abnormalities like a varicocele or a hypospadias can also lead to male infertility. Ejaculatory dysfunction, like a premature or a delayed ejaculation or a retrograde ejaculation, can also be the cause of infertility. And similar to women, even in men, lifestyle habits like obesity, smoking, and alcohol can also decrease the chances of couple getting pregnant. So if infertility is suspected, both the partners should be evaluated thoroughly to figure out what is wrong, and accordingly a treatment plan can be decided.